Type JZB260C high-speed pillow packing machine suited for repacking something like medicine aluminum plastic blister cards, more efficient for its anti-moisture and light and extending medicine life. This machine adopts PLC computer control system, easy job fitted with adjustable G-force dispenser used for various sizes and all kinds of material requirements, such as OPP, PE, PVC, PT, PE, combined film, OPP, CPP, combined film, paper, PE, combined film, PET, foil, PE, triple film, and SP, combined film for medicine use only. A movable adjusting system can make sheet accuracy locating inside film bag. Selling blade with teeth is also an easy job for packing. Furtherly, still have flat cutting blade, wave selling and net selling for choice. Its solid hot ink wheel printing device can finish printing at any position, adopts photoelectric counterpart vision, locating for better appearance.